everyone, this is Loki. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new here, you are welcome. Today I want to take you through on how to make travel easy in 2023. I know most of you want to get away from home, you want to take that vacation, you want to get new environment, you want to go out there and relieve your mind, but you need idea, you need guidance, you need someone that has your back. But don't worry, I'm your girl and you ran at the right place. First of all, you need to set your goal. What is that you want to accomplish? You want to visit a specific region, country, or city? Or do you want to try new food, activities? Or are you interested in learning a new culture or languages? Or do you want to escape from winter or summer? So having goal in mind, it will help you focus more on your planning and make most of your trip. Once or when you have goal in mind, start to research your destination. Here you want to consider factors like safety, cost, convenience when choosing a destination. If you want to experience a vibrant culture, consider destination like India, Peru, Thailand, Brazil, or if you are interested in historical and architecture, Africa and Europe be a good option. With its rich cultural heritage and diversity like Windhoek, Cape Town, Paris, Rome, Berlin, and etc. After you have your itinerary in order, it's time to book for your flight and accommodation. Try look for deals and discount to save money. Some people say that booking at the last minute, it will help you get discounted on flight ticket. But this is not the thing I'll advise you to do. You don't want to take that risk. Read the review and compare options before making decision on your accommodation. If you are visiting Africa, you may want to book a hotel in a city center to access to more attraction, or consider staying in a local apartment for more authentic experience. Visa requirement. Before planning your trip, it's important to check if you need a visa to enter the country that you want to visit. Many countries have travel requirements that you must meet in order to enter your destination country. And each country has its own visa requirement, and the process can take several weeks. For you, it's important that you plan ahead. The final one, get organized. Before you leave for your trip, make sure that everything is in order. You have what you need and ready to go. Create a packing list. Set an alarm not to forget anything you wish to take along. Make copies of important documents. Reset the best time to get in around your destination. And on transport, you may want to purchase a car rental for easily and fast access between cities, or you want to book in a bike rental for more fun and eco-friendly way to explore. I hope this tip will make most of your travel. And don't forget to subscribe so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Comment, like, and share my video with friends and family. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye for now.